So what you're going to do is line up the edge of your ruler with the edge of the paper. Make sure that's lined up, not over, because your measurements will be off. So it's just even on the edge. And then you're going to go and make a mark at 6 inches. For 6 inches on mine, it's the long line that's next to the 6. So I'm going to draw a perpendicular. So I'm making it like an upside down T. So my mark comes straight out from the ruler, not against it. At the long line next to the number 6, I'm going to slide my ruler down, check that it's even over here again, and I'm going to make a mark again at 6 inches, perpendicular. Then I'm going to put my ruler so that those two lines are next to touching the ruler. So I've got one there and one there. And I'm going to hold the ruler in place and draw a line straight down. Okay, the next measurements I'm going to make, I'm going to line this up with the edge of the paper again. And my long line should be going through the long line next to the 6, the one that I just drew. So I'm going to go just next to the 6, this long line here. So if I actually turn it around, and I'm going to use this side now. This side's broken down even further. It's still inches, but it's broken down further that we don't need right now. So if I line this back up, I've got this side even with the edge of my paper. My line's going through the big line. I'm going to make a mark here at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 would be 6 inches. So that means I'm making a mark here at 5 7/8. So I'm going to make a little mark there. While I've got my ruler set up, I'm going to also go just to the other side and make a mark at 6 1/8. Then I'm going to slide my ruler down and do the exact same thing. My ruler's even, lining it up with this mark. I'm going to make a mark here at 5 7/8, and then here at 6 1/8. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing that I did for the 6-inch ones. Make it so my ruler is touching both of those 5 7/8. Draw a line while holding my ruler steady. Now I'm going to line my ruler up with those 6 1/8 lines. So now I have 3 lines. We're only actually going to use the 2 outside lines. So this next step, we're going to start a straight fold. So I'm going to put my ruler back on that 5 7/8 line. Hold my ruler very steady. Might help if you stand up for this step. I'm pushing my paper against the ruler. That's going to make it want to be a straight line instead of a crooked line. And I'm going to do the same thing for the 6 1/8. Fold those really well. Now, once you've creased these folds really well, it's going to want to live that way. So what you're going to do now is write your name on it, wherever the cover is going to be. So it could be this side is the cover, it could be this side is the cover, but your spine should be on the left-hand side. Okay, so it's folded here, open here. Write your name on it, your class period. Then you're going to do a drawing. Now you could do a drawing that covers just this part, or you could have a drawing that covers the whole thing. You're going to have a couple of days beyond today to finish this up, but you're going to end up doing something on both sides. So it could be 2 drawings or it could be 1 big one. That's up to you.